Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Termux API with Black Generation. In this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to make use of what we learned from the previous two videos. We managed to create a function that calls a desired API, a desired Termux API of our choice. And we also added an option where a user can extract a field of his choosing. Anyway, so in this tutorial I'm just going to show you guys how you can make use of this information in your scripts. And as I said from the previous two videos, I said that this is not a fully fledged application. This is just a proof of concept for those guys who may not know how you can make use of the Termux API in your Termux scripts. Okay, so let's begin coding. So anyway, we want to create a function. So what this function does is let's just say maybe it's a cracking application. So what it does is that it checks the temperature. If it is above a certain limit, it reduces its activity, and if it is below some certain percentage, then it increases its activity. So anyway, let's just call the function increase. Let's just call the function activity, something like this, and then like so. So the temperature is going to be the output of our code Termux API command. And then we're going to specify another field or another argument, which is temperature, because we want to extract the temperature field from the API code, the Termux API code, Termux battery status. So okay, so now we have the temperature. So let's do our simple if statement. So if temp is above 50 degrees, we simply want to reduce our application activities. So it's reducing app activities. Like so. Else we want to increase application activity, so it's going to be increasing it's going to be increasing app activities, like this one. And then from below we just want to call def activity, just want to call the activity function. Then let's remove that print part. Activity like so. So let's save, let's quit, and let's try to run function. So as you can see, our function, it works, our program, it works, and it shows us that it's going to increase application activities because the temperature is below. Okay, so as a bonus, We can also make use of the battery percentage. So let's just say we want our application to quit when the battery percentage becomes maybe below 10% or 5%. How do we do that? We just need to quit this command. So anyway, I'll try to copy then I'll try to paste it below. So there it is pasted. Okay, so we want to extract the percentage. So let's rename our variable to pick something like this. So anyway, if the percentage is less than 5%, print exiting. So maybe if it was a cracking application, before it exits, maybe it should save the state information somewhere and then it continue to exit. Otherwise, it's just going to continue. So I'll just type continue from here. So continuing something like this. So anyway, I'm just going to spell some things wrong. As long as my codes run, I don't care about spelling those strings correct. Okay, so I type Python proof once again. There it is. It's still working. So ladies and gentlemen, I've showed you how you can make use of the Termux API calls inside your application or your program, whatever you want to call it. So instead of calling this API call separately, you want to define a general function that takes care of calling the command and maybe taking the JSON and then converting the JSON to a Python dictionary and then extracting fields and so on and so on. And then maybe inside your main program, this is where maybe you want to make use of the command you have defined, and then you can use the output any way you want. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment and like, and please share this video with your friends. This is Black Generation signing out. Peace.